Oh shit! You're not the movie from
Yes, I remember now. I remember why you're about to wear it because you wanted to very badly.
Oh yeah!
Oh shit!
Oh shit!
The ad. Watch.
Really?
It's like saying, I'm in the toilet.
Are you going to do? Are you going to?
I'm pressing my
This guy has the hair, it's
What
here.
motherfucker?
No, ba't ang camera mo?
I heard Chinese shoes.
Oh shit! The agent.
It doesn't match with my abs.
Well, agent, how can you cross this if you have abs?
So tight. Okay,
I can't breathe. I can't breathe. Ah, I can't breathe. Ano ka ba?
Joseph, bro!
He's running around with the bra.
Hey! Don't sweat on that new bra!
Oh yeah, he has a point.
Don't sweat on the new bra!
What if the guys
Don't
are
be
there?
shy. Spread it out tomorrow.
Paulo uses muscles.
Oh my god.
Those guys are there and then he's like running with it.
How do you wear a bra?
You put it on.
Tol, give that. Give Tol.
Where are they?
You told me that almost 6 times.
No, he's not.
He's looking at himself. Shit.
You broke it?
He's so ugly.
Then. Are you wearing it?
I can't
Well, he's
breathe.
not wearing it. Man, Hello Kitty.
It's so tight, man.
Take it off, man. I'm gonna kill you.
I'll help you.
You're still wearing it?
Yeah. There, you see the bump here?
Oh yeah, he's wearing bra.
See? Wait.
You
gays! It's for fun. Oh shit. Gusto ko ganun yun eh. I really, yeah, I always do that.
Are you tried one many times? My mother always
The bra.
I really like this bra.
Wear it then.
Oh, the details are really nice. Look, the style is nice. The
Face
style
cake.
is really nice. Hey, can I see the
Here,
pants?
maybe I should buy you a Hello Kitty curry.
Really?
That's for playing
He's holding a Hello Kitty.
Hello Kitty.
Oh, cute.
Hippies touching panties.
Where's
Hey,
the
where's
fur? Where's the fur?
Oh, Sichu! Like a carrot.
Wait, where's the fur?
In manga,
Ganito ba?
in manga, I keep saying
Ito pala yung puwet.
they keep wearing that
Duh.
in manga.
It's so nice.
I'm gonna start wearing this, man.
What's the tea bag?
G cup.
Oh my god.
I don't know.
I know Sai to wear a tea bag. I already tried a tea bag at first, I swear.
Oh my god.
You know those male tea
I
bags?
wear a G cup.
The one we saw on the beach last time.
Oh, it really hurts. You know those like guys tea bags? You know,
They
with
say-
there's elephants on the first
G-cup.
tier.
Oh.
They
Speedo.
say sex
Oh,
a win.
yeah. I bought it in Hong Kong. I wanna try it.
Oh yeah, the guys.
Curiosity.
Elephant.
Ang sakit pala dito.
Ew, you spit that.
Sakit.
Man, I wanna
Oh
wear
my
it
god,
again.
JP can spit too.
But you said
Gusto mo?
patingin, patingin.
No, I
Bakit
wear-
see-through?
I wear the picture.
Bakit see-through?
Dapat sexy. Ano ka ba?
See-through, oh.
Ayaw mo yun.
Nakikita yung yeah, I should buy you lingerie.
Doesn't match my abs, man.
Get.
I was still going to Taiwan.
I don't want that.
You're wearing it? Why am I filming?
Are we still going? Yeah, we are.